What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video gonna learn what to do before upload and picture and illustration and image and photo into your WordPress website. But before we can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us. After this, imagine the following scenario. I have this picture in my gallery, this one right here. It's a nice LED picture, okay? But the problem is the picture has 1.9 MBs. So a page alone can have a maximum of 1 MB to be good loaded in most of the devices. And this picture alone have the double of that. So there is a lot of plugins to optimize your pictures, but the best thing you can do to make your site better is optimize the picture before uploading on your website, okay? So what you need to do, go to Google and type tiny PNG, just like this. Click into the first result, drop your image here, click on it, select the picture, just like this, and wait for the magic to happen. As you can see, in some seconds I have reduced it in 77%. So this image is gonna be 70% easier to load, okay? Now you can go to your WordPress dashboard, media, hit the submenu add media, select file, choose the image, the new image. You can rename it in the case that you want and delete the previous one. Click on open and the image gonna loads faster, your site gonna be better, and you're gonna be well ranked on Google Speed Insights, on GTmetrix, on overall performance notes of your users, okay? So you're gonna bring a better experience. Always do this before uploading photos on your site, okay? And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.